Don't you hate when you lay down to go to bed, but your brain just won't turn off and you can't fall asleep for hours? My name is Turnip and I struggle falling asleep. I've tried melatonin, I tried different herbs, and yes, they knock me out. But I wake up in the morning feeling like a zombie or groggy for a few hours. But I found a solution I would love to share with you. This little pill is called PM-02 Sleep and Restore, which is a non-habit forming option from the company Seed that supports deep sleep and waking up feeling refreshed. What makes this pill different is that it has 2 capsules. The outer capsule supports natural sleep cycles and reduces stress, and the inner capsule has prebiotics and postbiotics to help support your gut brain. This will help you fall asleep faster, it will help you stay asleep throughout the night and promote recovery while sleeping, and support waking up feeling refreshed and not feeling groggy. PM-02 has bioidentical melatonin, ashwagandha, and it's gluten-free, dairy-free, and free of corn. I think it's a great option. See, I don't struggle with energy throughout the day. I'm totally good there. But the second I lay down at night, it's like my brain is ready to clock in for another shift. All the projects, the emails, the content ideas, they just start racing through my head. I'll just be laying there with my eyes closed, but my mind is doing laps for hours. I've tried melatonin before, and yes, it does knock me out really quick, but those dreams are just way too vivid. And when I wake up, I'm just lost in this fog of haziness. I usually will reach for green tea to shake it off a little bit, but having that on an empty stomach makes me feel nauseated. I like to start my mornings with water and ginger to keep my system clean, so melatonin was throwing off my entire routine. Eventually, I just stopped taking anything and told myself to just deal with it until I tried this. The first night, I noticed the difference. I slept deep, and when I woke up, I actually felt refreshed with no fog or haze, and after 2 weeks, my sleep patterns continued to improve. I even spent a week in the jungles of Belize, and I slept through the loud noise of howling monkeys one night. And that is really deep sleep. Plus, I don't need an energy boost from tea. I also noticed I woke up hungry and not feeling bloated from the night before. And the best part, I wake up ready to go with my body, mind, and stomach. All I do is take 1 pill 1 hour before I go to bed, and within that hour, I'm ready to sleep well. During my retreat, I needed to be up before everyone else and ready to go. And when I don't sleep well, I just don't feel like my brain is as sharp as I need it to be. But I felt confident taking PM-02 when I wake up the next day that I'm going to be the best version of myself with good rest. Now, when I'm at home, I have lots of responsibilities to take care of in the morning before I even start my day, like setting up the greenhouse, juicing, shopping for ingredients for recipes, and also sending out emails. So when I wake up, I need to be on point to start my day, and PM-02 has really helped me. Now, if you're struggling to fall asleep at night or you wake up feeling unrefreshed, I recommend you give PM-02 a try. And check this out, if you want to save 20%, you can use Turnip20 on your first order and get that discount. And I hope this product helps you just as much as it's helped me. Peace.